A lot of people have been inquiring about building and about actually putting workforce housing, aka affordable housing, on residential vacant lots, right? That still isn't a piggy bank breaker, and the construction costs, aka delivering the property and getting it all set up and getting it approved for a certificate of occupancy, that time is only 6 months, 180 days or less, depending on the county. This is absolutely insane, you guys. Absolutely insane. This place is beautiful. Beautiful, right? It looks better than some regular, houses, right? Houses that have been fully renovated and ready and good to go. I'm going to show you the master. Must be the laundry room. I'm going to show you the master bedroom. And wow. So from 800 square feet all the way to 3,000 square feet, you can actually custom order these modular homes or manufactured homes. You can do each one, and they are different, modular homes and manufactured homes. So what we are in right now, like what I'm standing in, this is a manufactured house. This is a manufactured house, you guys. Look at this tub. Look at this tub. Look at this shower. Oh my gosh. Look at this shower. Look at the crown molding. Look at this dual sink, the dual vanity sink with the mirrors, and how beautiful it is. Look at the walk-in closet. Now this one is all dolled up and sexy and so on like that. But for those of you who are looking to create your own blue ocean, create your own opportunity, create a portfolio of real estate investing properties that you could rent out, that's not gonna break your piggy bank, or you wanna partner with other people, including myself and my other partners that can finance and that can do joint ventures with you, this is where it's at, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna be looking at the other models right now, but this is the first one. This is so cute. To learn more about Prosperity Life and all of the real estate investor education that we provide our clients all across the United States, click the button below and we'll be happy to share with you all the information that you need for you to be successful investing in real estate.